Hello friends, welcome to our channel CAD/CAM Solution Merit, and today we are going to create this 3D model, and most of the dimension are given here. So if any dimension is missing, we will assume. Okay, so I am going to start from the front view, and first I will create this front view, and the dimension are in inches. So first we have to change the unit system, then we will start to create. So click over the sketch and I'm selecting this YG plane. So I'm starting from the front view. So YG is my front plane. Click OK, and I'm starting from this corner. So my first corner is this, a little bit up, and go to straight, and just drag it. And if you want to make some taper, this is the taper length. So if you want to make this taper, so click. Otherwise I'm not taking this taper, just click straight and a little bit down, and forward, and here click, 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 and close this. Okay, now just apply the dimension. So this length is 1.5, and zoom it, and this value is reset, and click here, and this dimension is 0.4, and select this 1, and this dimension is 2. Okay, and the thickness is same, so no problem. The total length is 5. Okay, and this value, so click again this, and zero point 0.4, this value is 0.4, and here this length is 1.0, and only this dimension is remaining, which is this upper portion, which is at this portion. So I'm just assuming this dimension, and later we will change what is the exactly dimension we will take when we will create this arc. Okay, so 0.75 from this. Okay, just cancel it and drag this line. Now 0.75. Now my sketch is fully constrained. Finish this sketch and extrude this geometry symmetrically, and the total is 2.3 divided by 2, and click OK. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to create this portion, and later we will cut this. So I'm going to this upper portion and select here. Okay, and now select one arc, and this is starting from here to here, and click. Okay, so radius is 1.5. Okay, and this is 0.15 below. So this line and this horizontal line, the gap is 0.12. Okay, and okay, close this, and my this point will be matched from this, make them constant. Okay, so this is my face, this sketch is fully constant. Finish and extrude this curve in opposite direction, and this distance this distance we have to mention, and this distance is, so this distance is 0.75, and 0.75 is 1.4. So divide 2.3 minus 1.4 will be the thickness, and click OK. Okay, now I'm replacing this face with this face. So we have some options here. In synchronous we will use this. So for this I'm going to create a new datum plane which will be parallel and up to this, and now split this solid body. So I'm splitting this body with respect to this plane and click OK. Now I am using this trim. I want to trim this about this face. Still it is not cutting, so no problem. I am going to make this curve as a close, then only we can cut this. So make this as a close loop, close. Okay, so split and data plane, this is not working here, so double click over it, and my point is planar surface is this, and point, I'm defining this point again, click and OK, and my body is split now, and double click over this and make this solid and select this none. Okay, rest options are same. Now go and use this subtract, and before selecting this subtract, okay, just subtract first, subtract this and this. Okay, apply, cancel, and now extrude this single curve only. This is the single curve, and in reverse direction, and okay, and now use the replace face. So we have this replace face, select this face and I want to replace with this, and okay. Now if you want to hide this surface. Okay, so this sketch is complete, and here the portion is now okay. Hide this datum plane and this sketch as well. Now we have to create this. So the distance and some values are given, so we have to offset from this center point. So first we have to create hole here. So click over this face and draw a circle, and the dimensions are 0.375 is the diameter, and now use this dimension. From here this distance is 0.75 is horizontal distance, and from bottom it is 0.44 close, and it is 0.75 deep, 0.75 deep, and subtract it. Okay, now we have to create this plane. So select plane, and here we have this plane at an angle. So select this angle, and my planar surface is this and axis is this. Okay, and 30-degree, drag and drag. And if you want to apply some offset, so enable this offset, and the offset distance is 1.5. So enter 1.5 and click OK. So this is my working plane where I want to create the sketch. Okay, so select this and sketch. select the orientation and click OK. And I'm using this rectangle, so use this 2 point rectangle. Click. Now the dimensions are 1.4. Make collinear. Okay, because of this, because I have selected this from the midpoint, that's why. So select this and it is up to this. Okay, so it will automatically 1.4, and here it is 1.88. Okay, and four holes are there and one pocket is there. So first I am making this pocket, so this point, and where is the midpoint, other midpoint. Drag it and drag as well. So midpoint is this and another midpoint is this. Make them coincident and drag. Now okay, now it is moving on the both side, and select this, and this gap is see here. Okay, so we have to find this gap, and zero point 0.3 from the center and zero point 0.7 from here it is. This is zero point 0.3, so double of zero point 0.3 is 0.6, and click OK. And one circle is there, so circle is zero point 0.5 radius. Click and draw a circle, and zero point 0.5 means 1 is the diameter. Now select the center and align with the vertical point, and this point will be matched from the horizontal alignment. So this all position is done. Okay, now added the dimension to 0 0.0. So sketch is fully constrained. Now click this finish and click here extrude, and this is this, select this none and connect it curve and reverse the direction and change it to until extended or until next, so it will automatically merge. See, and preview. Okay, this is a little bit high, so we have to match it from the edge. This is not matching from the edge. See, this is here, so we have to start from here, so gap will come. Okay, just click OK, then we will see. I think this distance is not properly, and that's why it is coming like this. So no problem, I am doing one more thing. Just go to this extrude, double click over it and make it none. This is okay. Now use this data plane, and we don't have any common edge, so first we will combine this, make them combine. So double click over it and select this unite with this. Now select the face, this datum plane, and offset this datum plane to this point. Okay, so new plane is this. Okay, and I want to use this replace face. I want to replace this face to this lower face. Okay, and click apply and okay. See. Okay, so now it is okay. So we have to check the distance between them. Distance between this, go to analysis, and here we have distance and projected distance, projection vector, my first plane and second plane, 0.25, 0.266. First plane is this, second plane is this, distance is 0.66, 0.266. Now select this extrude, reverse the direction. Now the distance is zero point 0.3, so zero point 0.3 plus 0.266, and subtract this, apply, and this circle, reverse direction, subtract from this, and 0.12 plus 0.266, and hide this. Okay, my sketch shape is properly, hide all the planes, hide this sketch as well. Now I want to join both of this, so use unite to combine this. Only the holes are remaining, so I'm using this hole. Click this face and position it, and this distance is zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.5, and finish. And my hole is a counter bore, and the dia of counter is 0.3125, counter depth is zero point 0.5, and diameter is 0.25. Sorry, this is zero point 0.5, and here it is 0.3125, and 0.25 is a counter depth. And through, apply, and now I want to mirror this, or because before mirroring I am going to create this hole. So sketch hole at this face, and now dimension it. This distance is from middle to this point is zero point 0.7, and from this point and this point, this is zero point 0.4, and close. Okay, uh, I'm going to mirror this on this face. So again draw one more point, click, this is the second point, and select point and this point, make them horizontally align, and dimension it from this to this is zero point 0.7, close, finish. And here we have to use uh, so change it to threaded hole, and here we have point 1 by 4 is 0.25, 20, and deep detailing is 0.5, and depth is 0.5, and click, apply, and cancel it. Now I want to mirror this and this. So first select the mirror, mirror feature. I want to mirror about this, apply, and for this create new plane between these two face, the mirror middle plane, and apply. So this is the model.